Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Today I'm going to prepare modak roll. This is very easy to prepare. First take 2 cups of water in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter. When it starts to boil, add 2 cups of rice flour. Mix well and off the flame. Take this mixture into another bowl and close the lid and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Now for filling, take another pan. In this pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. You have to mix this, cook this until the moisture is evaporated from the coconut. Now into this, add 2 tablespoons of almonds, but that is badam and cashews. It can be crushed or cut into tiny pieces. Again mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon of cardamom, that is elaichi powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix it and off the flame and keep it aside. Once you have switched off the flame, add 1 cup of sugar, close the lid and let it sit for 15 minutes. Now open the lid of the mixture, rice mixture. Mix the rice flour, that is the rice mixture which we have made, with your hand and make it a soft dough. You have to mix it well so that the dough is soft. Take a portion from the dough and roll it like this as shown in the video. Once you have rolled it completely, it should be a thicker one, not the rice roll, the rice chapati should not be thin. It should be in from the thicker side. Now cut all the sides. Fill the mixture, spread it properly with your fingers or spoon and fold it like this. Now heat the steamer and keep the roll one by one in the steamer. Close the lid and let it cook for 15 minutes in a low to medium flame.